Hello everyone, this is my project. My project title is Stock Price Momentum Prediction by using Hybrid Long Short Term Memory Transformer models. Here you can see my Google Colab link and Guardiola application link. Now coming to my PPT presentation, project aim is in this project we predict whether the next day's stock price will go up or down because nowadays the stock price we never unpredictable because of next day will go up or less. Coming to the next slide, introduction. Stock price prediction is difficult because the market changes frequently. Traditionally models are not very accurate, so we can use hybrid bio long term memory and transform model to improve prediction. Coming to third slide, problem and statement. Stock prices are effectively by many factors like market trends and global events. Our goal is to predict whether the next day price grows up or down because whether the next day stock price will increase or decrease. Now we can go to the fourth slide, objectives. Our main objective are to collect the data, pre-process it, train the hybrid model, and deploy it using a Flash web application. So you can see deploy using Flash application. Now we can go to the system workflow. The workflow starts with collecting the data from the Yahoo Finance and pre-processing, future engineering, hybrid module, and prediction in the final visualization. In this workflow starts with the collection data from Yahoo Finance, then we process the data and extract the features, train the hybrid module and final display the prediction to the users. Coming to the next slide. This is the data set. Source from Yahoo Finance, stock from Apple, period from 2015 to 2024. Futures, open, high, low, close, volume, RSI, MACD returns, window size is 60 days, approximately 60 days. We use Apple APL stock data from Yahoo Finance covering 2015 to 24. This data set includes open, high, volume, low, RDS, MACD and returns. Coming to the next slide. This data processing. First, we can find the missing values. After that, we clean the data and handling the missing values. Then we calculate the technical indicators, normalize the data and create 60-day input sequence using the sliding window for the training purpose. Coming to the next video. In this slide, hybrid model architecture. Our model combines bidirectional long and short term captures temporal differences. Past patterns while the transformer focus on the important information using the attention mechanism. So a density layer predicts up and down movements because of the stock prices are it is unpredictable. It will come up or low. So that's why we are using the deep learning. In this section, training and fine tuning. We split the data into train 80% and test 20%. We use the Adam optimizer and binary cross entropy loss along with early stopping to improve this training. You can see here. And coming to the next slide. Resultant performance. Our module achieved around 51% test accuracy. Test accuracy is 51%. It predicts upwards momentum better, but stock prediction is still challenging because of stock market is uncertainty. Coming to the next slide, advantages and limitations. These advantages are end-to-end pipeline and prediction system, real-time prediction. Coming to the limitations. The limitations are that it does not use new sentiment and the prediction accuracy is moderate. Coming to the next slide, future work. In the future, we can include the new sentiment analysis, use multiple stocks, apply expandable AI, and further optimizing the model. Coming to the next slide, conclusion. In this conclusion, we successfully deployed a hybrid uh, bio long-term test memory and transfer model with a predict stock movement trends and machine learning pipeline and stock deployment. All through stock prediction is challenging. Our project demonstrates the practical use of AI and the final prediction remains challenging. So we can see the next part is our code file. Here the table of contents. In this section here, in this section, I install all required Python libraries such as TensorFlow, NumPy, Pandas, Metabolic, and Yahoo Finance. These libraries are used for data collection, pre-processing, visualization, and building the deep learning modules. Here you can see advanced data, pre-processing, and future engineering. In this section, I collect the historical data from Yahoo Finance. Then I clean on the data, handling missing values, calculate RSI and MACD indicators, normalize the data and prepare it for model training. Coming to the hybrid model architecture. In this section, I build the hybrid directional long short-term memory and transformer model. Lens time series patterns while the transformer captures a long-range defenses using the attention mechanism. Together, they improve the stock price prediction. Coming to the next section, training and fine-tuning. In this section, I train the model using the training training data set. I use the Adam optimizer, early stopping and reduce to improve model performance and overlifting. Coming to the next slide, visualization. You can see how many I can test the 150 almost. Coming to the visualization. In this section, I visualize the model performance using the graphs. You can see here accurate value approximately 50, 51 to 58. Sometimes it's go because of this is stock price unpredictable. We can't do exact accurate value. To compare training and validation accuracy, they evaluate model on the text data and save the trained model for the future use. You can see the accurate value 52, micro average 52, 51, 53 and weighted average 52, 53. This complete my project stock price momentum prediction project using the hybrid in this model. Now we can talk about for the deployment. I used Guardio to convert my trained hybrid bidirectional long short-term model plus deploy model in a web application. The trained model and pre-processing steps are loaded automatically. When a user enters a stock ticker like Apple or Tesla, the application downloads the latest historical data from the Yahoo Finance, process it, and send it to the model. The model predicts when the stock price is likely to move up or down, and the display predictions along with the confidence score through a simple browser interface. Coming to the my report analysis, you can see here, you can see here, this is my complete project about the report. Table of contents, background and problem definition, literature review, processed deep learning solution, data selection, preparing the data, defining the deep learning module, training and feeding, testing your model with new data, deploying your model, result and analysis, conclusion, limitations, future work, and with references. You can see about the diagrams and tables. Here, compare the recent research of hybrid deep learning models. We can research from 2015 to 2024 the present stock price momentum. Coming to the workflow of this report. See here, we can take a data source from Yahoo Finance and period 2015 to 24 stock price momentum Apple. Futures high low volume close MACD or window. A window size is 60 days. Target up and down. Because of we never predict exact stock price accurate. You can see the future heat correlation map. And this is the distribution of scale futures. This is the market only over time. You can see exact stock prices. It's go up and down. So we never predict the exact stock market accurate percentage. So this is the overall my project. I can, that's it. Thank you.